Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: application number, passport, existing Emirates ID if applicable, and UAE Pass credentials. Once done, open the ICP portal or UAE Pass app and sign in. This authenticates you instantly and avoids typing errors. Make sure to select the correct service, change appointment, so you don't start a new application. Enter the reference number exactly because a single-digit error prevents lookup. You'll see current appointment details and the option to reschedule. This is the real. Once you've accessed your appointment, search for new center and time that suit you. Availability varies by location and day, so check multiple centers. You can filter by morning or afternoon, pick a slot, and review any rescheduling rules or fees before confirming. After you select, complete payment immediately if required because unpaid changes can be voided. Make sure to save the confirmation, SMS, email, and QR code, as you'll need them at the center. If you need to modify details, do it now before finalizing. You finish by preparing for the new appointment. Print or screenshot the confirmation QR and bring passport, Emirates ID, and payment receipts. Arrive 10 to 15 minutes early so staff can process you smoothly. You'll complete biometrics and receive a collection or delivery receipt at the end. If you encounter issues, no available slots, or errors, first clear browser cache, try another device, or use the UAE Pass app. If problems persist, contact ICP support or visit a typing center. They can manually reschedule or explain blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.